Hello guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to use this platform and easily get a lot of money by only playing games. This platform is real and legit, trusted by many users. You can use this platform to earn more profits. So just follow me to the end of this video so you will learn how to earn in this platform step by step. So, first, click the link in the description and download the app. Open the app, where you will see two headwords, login and guest login. For you are a new user, you should click on the login. Click on register. Add your phone number. Create your password. Use this referral code here. Click on confirm. Congratulations! You are now registered. Select the top up of your choice. If you recharge 1,000, you will get 100 Naira for free. And if you recharge 3,000, you will get 500 Naira for free. You must recharge before you start to earn in this platform. These are all the games available on the app that you can use to earn a lot of money. You also have another way of earning money in the platform. It is by getting commission from the new users that used your referral code to register in the platform. If you want to copy your referral code, click on the button Be Our Agent. Click on My Referral. You then copy your ID. If you want Be Their Agent, here is your commission rates. The people that used your referral code to register are I players, you get 0.6% from them. The people that registered under A players or B players, you get 0.3% from them. The people that registered under B players or C players, you get 0.1% from them. If you want to recharge, click on this Cash In. Choose the amount of the recharge you want to apply for, between 1,000 Naira, 3,000 Naira, 5,000 Naira, 10,000 Naira and 50,000 Naira. Click on the payment method of your choice. Click on the amount you want to pay. Click on the Pay With button. Click the payment method of your choice. So let us pay with card. We fill the card details thus. Enter your 4 digits and proceed. Verify your OTP. You will successfully see the amount is added at the top. For now you have recharged as required. You now have the chance of playing the game of your choice and earn a lot of money. So let us try one of these games. We will now play Crazy Monkey. Before you start the game, you can adjust the bet amount here. That is, you can add and you can reduce the amount of the money based on your choice. Note, if you click on the max bet, the maximum amount of the bet would be added to replace your choice. So let us choose the amount I like. I chose 100 Naira. Then, let us spin. As you see, I spinned, and I won the game. Now my balance has just been increased.
Everybody, there.
After I play 3 of the games, I finally won the profit of 2000 Naira plus. Now let us show you how to withdraw your balance. First, you go back to home. Click on the withdraw on the right top corner of the screen. We have 2 withdrawal options. The first one is bank account. While the second USDT, TRC20 wallet address. From the 2 optional choices, click on the choice of yours. You then click on blind. Fill your bank details or wallet address. Click on Save button. Add the amount you intend to withdraw. Click on the withdrawal button, and your withdrawal will be remained under review. As you see, finally we have received our payments successfully. So you can follow these steps every day to earn a lot of money by playing the games in this legit and genuine app. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoy the video. And if yes, like this video. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss any updates from this channel. Check out other videos in the channel and you may get more solution by watching them. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.